Hey babe, how you doing? Hope you all are doing fantastic. Everything okay? How you day? Put it there, basibe. Hey. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the product that's been taking the beauty world by storm over the past few weeks. And I'm not talking about Tarte. I'm talking about Makeup Revolution. Okay, they came out with concealers, and it's called the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. Yo, Makeup Revolution is coming out here like also shading people as well and saying, yo, if you guys are not going to like cater to my, lovely people of color, brothers and sisters, we're gonna come out and like snatch your weave. We're gonna come out and snatch your pants, take the lace off your pants so it can drop when you're in public and be ashamed of yourself. They're coming out here like giving us inclusivity and whatnot. I actually haven't tried this concealer yet, and I'm back in Australia. I'm no longer in London, and this concealer is actually launched when I was in London, but wasn't really in all the stores yet, so I wasn't able to get it. So I had to order it online when I got back to Australia. Okay, so I went ahead and I picked up 3 shades. I picked up shade C10, C13, and C12. I don't know why. It's very inexpensive anyway. Let's go and see what their claims are about these shades. Actually, before we go ahead, if you're a babe, if you're a human being, and you click this video, and you're watching this video right now, and you look down, and your subscribe button is still red, excuse me, don't leave that subscribe button red, honey. Don't leave it on red. Make sure your subscribe button is not this color, okay? That was not planned, by the way. Make sure it is gray. So it looks like all the shades are C something. So it starts from C1 to C18. So the shades I picked up are 10, 12, and 13. And it says 10 is for medium skin tones with golden undertone. Okay. 12 is for medium or dark skin tones with neutral undertone. And 13 is for dark skin tones with a warm undertone. You know what all these says to me? It says that I will be able to find at least one concealer that will work perfectly for me to be able to like highlight with and whatnot. It's a full coverage concealer to cover blemishes, even skin tone, and counteract dark circles. Honey, we need that. I'm expecting this concealer to give me a full coverage finish, cover my dark circles, hence full coverage. I'm expecting it to be lightweight as well. I'm expecting it to be matte. Hopefully it's not too matte. I'm also expecting this to cover all these lines here and not really settle into it because I've got some cracks under my eyes as well. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. So are you gonna deliver? It's quite cool. I really like the packaging. I like the color theme as well. Ooh, that's a huge doe foot applicator. All right, this is the shade C10. Ooh. Oh, sweetie, that is for Rebecca. That's not for me. This is shade 12. I hope y'all can see that. Okay, 13 is good. It looks a little bit darker. It might look a bit brighter on camera now, but it looks a little bit darker. So I think I might be a combination of 12 and 13, or just even 12 on its own, to be honest with you guys. No, that's not, no. All right, this is a shade 13. Okay, that's really nice. Actually, you know what? This shade reminds me of my Maybelline shade, the shade 30. Oh, it's a bit lighter. Okay, never mind. So this is C13. That is not bad. I like this. I would use this on those days when I just want like a natural, really natural highlight. Something to conceal my under eye and not like a popping highlight. So this shade will still be perfect for me, which is really good. This C12 looks really nice. All right, so this is a shade 12. This is a shade 13. The shade difference is just, yeah. Let's blend both out actually and see what we've got. Whoa. That's already dried. That blended out really easily. Better than Tarte. I don't like the Tarte Shape Tape. I mean, I don't hate it, but I'm just like, I'm not gagging for the Tarte Shape Tape. This one, I would gag for this one over the Tarte Shape Tape, to be honest with you guys. Okay, that is beautiful. I wouldn't say it's full coverage though. Maybe I just didn't apply enough. Oh, this doe foot applicator is very soft. And when you're applying it, it's like butter. That is so pretty. I love that. Oh, let's blend out 12. To be honest with you guys, for me, this one is more easier to blend than the Tarte is. I'm not even gonna bother doing a side-by-side comparison because I don't want anything to ruin this makeup right now. I thought that would be too bright. It's not too bright. I wonder what it looks like on camera because I don't have my laptop in front of me to see what I'm filming. I thought that would be too light, but once it's blended out, it looks really good. But I think I would mix it just to be on the safe side. But guys, no, actually I wouldn't mix it. It looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply 12 on this side. Oh, this looks so pretty though. And a little bit goes a long way, guys. I need someone on days like this. I do. On days like this. So tell me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer with my powder and I will be right back. Actually, before I set this side, can I just say it's a little bit tacky. It's not like a matte finish. It's tacky to touch. Like, I don't know if you can see that. My fingers, ooh, I'm making lines. Oh no, why did I do that? Oh, that's easy. Okay, that's cool. See, if it was the Tarte Shape Tape, I would have to like apply another concealer on top of it to kind of like, you know, fix my mistake. But Beauty Blender worked really well with this one. I like this concealer. I really do. I really like it. So because I don't want to ramble on too much, let me just tell you guys what I think in accordance to their claim. Okay, when people say something is full coverage, I expect me to like apply it, blend it out, and immediately see a full coverage finish. This concealer is not a full coverage finish right off the bat, but I would say it's a medium coverage and you can definitely build it up to a full coverage and it's not going to give you a hassle when you're trying to build it up to a full coverage. So that's really good. Okay, so yes, it is definitely lightweight. It is not a heavy concealer whatsoever. Yeah, that's better. And guys, I actually finished applying the actual concealer about an hour and a half or so ago, and I have done like 2 videos since then. There hasn't been any settling into my fine line, like it didn't settle into my fine line whatsoever, which is really good. I really like this concealer and I like the shade range. I can already guess that this concealer will be great as an eyeshadow base because of the texture. You don't need to wait for it to dry under your eye. Like, it's just really perfect. Like, it's not too watery. I don't even think it's watery at all. It's thick in consistency. It dries down really quickly. I would definitely recommend this concealer to every single one of you guys, especially oily skin, dry skin. Because of the matte texture, you just gotta be a little bit careful, you know what I mean? Like, you don't want something to like be pulling and tugging under your eye, do you know what I mean? So yeah, it is so affordable and it looks like a high-end concealer, literally. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and comment down below what you think about this concealer, especially how I blended it out on my face. Okay I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye.